Hey everyone, I'm Raghav and this is my data structure fundamentals 2 self 2 assignment 6, and today I'm going to discuss about the following two questions. Question first is how to implement a queue using stacks, and question second is how to implement a stack using queues. So coming to the question 1, how to implement a queue using stacks. So to implement a queue using stacks, I would use two stacks, stack 1 and stack 2. So for the push operation, I will just insert the element inside the stack 1, and for the pop operation, I'll check if my stack 2 is empty. Then then till my stack 1 is not empty, I'll just insert all the elements of my stack 1 inside stack 2, and I will remove the top element of stack 2 by stack2.pop. And then to get the front element of our queue, I will just do the similar operations like operation that I did in pop operation, that if my stack 2 is empty, and I will just say while my stack 1 is not empty, I'll insert all the elements of stack 1 inside the stack 2, and I will just return stack 2 of top. That will give me the top element of top or front element of our queue. So there is an isEmpty function. So what isEmpty does is it will return me whether my queue is empty or not. So to check this, I will just return stack 1 is empty and stack 2 is empty. So if my stack 1 and stack 2 both are empty, it will just return me true. That means my queue is empty. Otherwise, it will return me false. That means my queue is not empty. So in size, so this will return me the size of my queue. So it will return stack 1 of size plus stack 2 of size. So this will give me size of my entire queue. So coming to the second question, how to implement a stack using queues. So to implement a stack using queues, I will just use two queues, primary queue and secondary queue. For the push operation, I will just check whether my primary queue is not empty. I'll insert all the elements of my primary queue into my secondary queue, and then I will insert the element that I want to insert inside the primary queue, and then I will say that if till my secondary queue is not empty, I will insert all the elements of secondary queue into my primary queue. And then for the pop operation, I will just say remove the primary queue front element of primary queue by primary queue dot pop. And for peak operation, I will just return the primary queue dot front. That will give me the top element of our stack. And there is an empty function that will just return whether my stack is empty or not. To check this, I will just return primary queue dot empty. It will just return true if my primary queue is empty. It will just say my stack is empty. Otherwise, it will just say my stack is not empty. So that's all. Thank you so much.